Hello friends. Today we are going to explain you a type of counterplate used in sliding, where insert type of counterplate is required. In this particular model, we are giving the counterplate which fix like this from the front and is having a holding nuts from the back side. We will just show you how it opens. Can you just open this with this? this this is like this, as you can see here, and it happens to इसको बिठा दो ऊपर से। एक मिनट है सर, इसका ऐसे दिक्कत। It's as simple as this to hold on. Depending upon customer profile to profile difference, this is sort of a universal counterplate, but we can increase or decrease the nut length and in the width and thickness to make it applicable in different type of profiles. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, let us know on the number which is given in the video in the title. Thank you so much.